Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Quality Machine Tools Corporation. My name is Sandeep Singh and I hope all of you guys are doing great. So we have already made so many videos on slotting machines of 12-inch stroke, but this would be the first video on our YouTube channel for this 16-inch stroke heavy duty slotting machine. As our previous machines, this machine is also equipped with the auto rotary table, but additionally there is a 4-speed of gearbox we have added in this machine. We are manufacturing another hydraulic slotting machine, so I'll upload the video of the same on this YouTube channel. So stay tuned and please subscribe our channel if you guys have not done yet. I'll show you the quick walk around of this machine, and after that I'll get you the working video of this machine. So this is going to be a very short video, so please do watch it till end. Thank you.